Now on a business account, press the 3 lines and go to settings. Same exact way on the bottom of the page, you go to setting. And here, if you scroll down, you'll see this new business settings option. Now, if you don't have a business account, you won't have it. So you have to convert. Once you do, the business account should have this quick reply option. Go ahead and press that. And here you could respond instantly with a new quick reply. Let me just go ahead and press that. And this is how a quick reply works. You create a shortcut, and then that shortcut pulls a longer message. So if someone follows you, for example, follow, thanks. And this shouldn't have any white spaces, so it should be one word here. So follow, thanks. And then I could type out my messages. So I just went ahead and typed out my full message here, basically a call to action to the website. And once we're done here, we just have to press save on top. So now we have a quick reply. I'll show you how to use it. If you wanted to add more, you could press the plus sign and add another. You could have as many as you want here. So now let me show you how that works on the DM. So now I'm gonna go to the home page and I'm gonna click the airplane to go to my DM here. And I'll just go ahead and message myself here. So this is a different account of messaging that I own. I'm gonna write follow, thanks. That's my quick reply. You see how it says insert quick reply? So I could just go ahead and tap that and it just typed out my full message. So I don't have to do it every time. I could do this with 3 letters, for example, or I could do it when people message me and I want to tell them be right back. I could put BRB and it will put a longer message and I could go ahead and press send. So now that I send that, look, it has a call to action even to take you directly to the website because I put the website there. So this is a really great way when people respond to you or message you, you could just go ahead and do that quick follow-up message here on a business account and give them a call to action or just basically thank them or whatever it may be in your case.